Travelers between Los Angeles and Las Vegas on Interstate 15 will be surprised to see
Today we're going to be checking out Lake Dolores, later known as Rock-A-Hoola Waterpark. But first, some quick history.
The park was originally designed and built by Bob Byers, a local businessman. Planning and construction took place somewhere between the late 1950s and early 1960s. Byers named it after his wife, Dolores. The water park officially opened to the public in 1962.
It is considered America's first water park.
Over the next 25 years, rides and attractions were added, and the site evolved into a water park. The park saw its peak attendance between the early 1970s and mid-1980s. Sadly, after a downturn in popularity in the 1980s, the park closed. Byers sold the park in August 1990 to an investment group who envisioned a more polished park with a 1950s theme. The park reopened under a new name, Rock-A-Hoola. But in 1999, an employee had an accident during the park's closed hours and was paralyzed. The employee was awarded $4.4 million in damages. This was the beginning of the end. The park began to see financial problems, but after this accident, the park was forced to close. The bankruptcy judge overseeing the case returned the property back to Dolores Byers with most debts discharged. Dolores Byers sold the property in September 2001 to another investment group. The park has been closed since the summer of 2004.
So much has changed over the years. Some people still believe the park will come back to life once again, but one thing's for sure, it continues to inspire people, drawing them in.
As I walk, 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 and I keep on walking till I know the end of the road.
Lake Dolores Resort occupies over 270 acres. Future plans for the resort include a hotel, a 36-hole golf course, an amphitheater, an eclectic food court, a wave pool, and development of Fun Island, complete with miniature golf, go-karts, and a concert stage.